how to download Hulu content for offline viewing. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can download Hulu content for offline viewing. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, what you have to do is you have to open up Hulu application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. You can access the downloadable content on only your supported mobile devices. So for that, first of all, connect to your Wi-Fi network or enable the cellular downloading, as you can see here on the step 1. Now after that, from the menu bar on the Hulu application, you have to head over to downloads. You will find menu bar either on your left hand side or on your right hand side at the top, which can be under the 3-line icon. So tap on the menu bar. From there, you have to head over to downloads and see what is downloadable. Scroll to the various collection to browse. After that, you have to select the movie or the show that you want to download. For movies, tap on download button from the details page, and for the TV shows, tap on the download button next to any episodes that is available for offline streaming. Then, to monitor your downloads in progress or see all the downloads on your device, you have to head over to downloads from the menu bar. So that's it. That's the way to download Hulu content for offline viewing. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.